Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia, and to this video I'm going to teach you guys the easy way by which you can update your PHP software version. Just like what you see on the screen of the video right here, you can see your site is running in an insecure version of PHP 7.1.33, which should be updated. So if you have something like this on your WordPress dashboard, so never fear and never get panicked. All you have to do is to watch the step by step I'm taking in this video and see how you can actually update the PHP software from your cpanel. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to go to your cpanel and log into your cpanel. So when you log into your cpanel, you have to scroll down and look for multi PHP manager here. So just click on that. Now when you choose your multi PHP stuff, you can see the update has been even there is a warning here already. So you can see PHP version stuff like that, and we recommend that you update to supported version of PHP. For more information, please read our PHP documentation. So now what you need to do first is that you need to come here and select the domain that you would like to update. So when you select the domain, then you have to come to the PHP version here, click on this drop down and choose the one that is compatible with your WordPress dashboard. So in this regard, I would prefer to choose the highest version. When you are done, then you click on apply. So you can see here that successful apply PHP version 7.4. So you can now go back to your WordPress dashboard. So let me quickly go back, and then you come here and refresh your WordPress dashboard. So definitely the warning sign is going to disappear in no time. Wow, so you can see everything look good. So there is no warning again, and our WordPress dashboard look pretty cool. And this is how you can update your PHP file manager without stressing yourself. All you have to do is to get it done from your cpanel. I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you find this video useful, give the video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe for more future tutorial on WordPress. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.